Welcome to your update from June 16th, the 19th day of the 50th Annual World Series of Poker at the Rio All-Suite Hotel and Casino. I'm Sarah Herring, and this is what you need to know. 2 bracelets were awarded yesterday, and one of them came in an event that started a week ago. Event number 26, the $2,600.20 No Limit Hold'em Marathon. Jared Koppel came into the day as the overwhelming chip leader, but the heads-up battle was nothing short of exciting. The pendulum swung back and forth multiple times, and both players had their opponent on the brink of elimination. Ultimately, Russian online poker pro Roman Korenev captured his first WSOP gold bracelet and a payday of more than $477K. On the other side of the Amazon, chants of "Aussie, Aussie, Aussie" filled the space in the early morning hours as event number 33, the $1,500 limit deuce to 7 low ball triple draw, came to a conclusion after almost 10-hour-long levels. Robert Campbell bested a field of 467 to take home a prize of $144K. Today, the 1K Seniors event will come to a close. What started as 5,916 players is now just 19. Last night, play was meant to stop at 6 players, but after 10 hours of play, there were still 19 left in contention for the top prize of more than $662K up top. I, for one, cannot wait for my AARP card. Event 34, the 1K double stack, attracted a whopping field of 6,214 entries, creating a top prize of almost $688K. With more than 2,327 players left, there is still a lot of play to be had. And with players like Ari Engel, Scott Clements, Diogo Veiga, Antoine Sayut all have leading chip stacks, we are definitely going to keep our eyes on this tournament. The 10K Dealer's Choice always attracts the cream of the poker crop, so to speak, and returns today with 11 such players battling it out for the bracelet and more than $300K. Adam Friedman is looking to make history as he attempts to win this event back-to-back and confirm himself as one of the most versatile players in the game. Other players still in the mix include fan favorite Nick Schulman, the controversial 2018 Player of the Year Sean Deeb, as well as Matt Glantz. The 3K Shootout is definitely a unique and popular tournament structure with a format that plays out as a series of sit-and-goes until you are left with only one man or woman standing. 313 players were spread over 40 tables yesterday, and in the end, some of poker's biggest names were left standing, including Byron Kaverman, Justin Bonomo, Kristen Bicknell, and Andrew Lucky Chewy Lichtenberger. Round 2 will kick off today at 2 p.m. We had another 10 a.m. start this morning courtesy of the $800 Deepstack event that already had at least 1,000 entries, but the entries are coming in so fast we can barely keep up. But as always, as the information comes in from the WSOP, the PokerNews audience will be the first to know. In addition to the low buy-in deep stack tournaments that are sprinkled throughout the 2019 schedule, another type of tournament that is relatively unique to be seen so frequently on the 2019 schedule is an online tournament that will kick off today. It's starting its first day today and begins at 3:30 p.m. local time. Late reg will be open until 7:15 p.m. It's a no-limit hold'em knockout bounty, so if you're in Nevada, you can win a WSOP bracelet from the comfort of your own home. If you're going to be in town on June 30th, we spoke to Bernard Lee about an event that you won't want to miss.
So the All In for CP this summer, which is raising the stakes, we are expecting a phenomenal year. Right now, that is scheduled to appear the last 3 main event champions. Also, the person who won it 10 years ago, Joe Cata, Jamie Gold, hosted by Montel Williams, Cheryl Hines, RJ Mitty, Els Gable, Jennifer Tilley is always going to be there as well, and the list goes on and on. So we're really excited. This year we're having it at Aria. Sean McCormick has really helped promote the event, and we're looking for record-breaking numbers. I think the record is around 166. Let's shoot for 175. quietly, let's go for 200. Come on, let's go. All the Poker News podcast people are going to be there as well, and then a lot of other players as well. So if you are available, June 30th, Sunday, 5 o'clock is start time, but if you come a little early, 4 o'clock, red carpet, maybe meet some of the celebrities and maybe even get some autographs.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Poker News for your coverage of the 50th Annual World Series of Poker. I'm Sarah Herring.